JDCap 26 here. I do tips and repairs and hobbies. This is the new tripod mount I got for video recording, and I took this piece off, and I'll show you the tripod mount that I have. This is the old one. The old one is just a spring type of tripod mount, and it doesn't really hold it unless you take your iPhone out of its case and use it that way. But I am still saving it just in case for backup. So I'll show you the tripod mount I have. This is the tripod mount I have, and it goes down to the desk, to my paint stand, and it's a very good one. But I switched this out because what I liked was this has a knob down here, and all I do is slip the iPhone in and tighten this knob, and that's how I do videos. So I wanted to show you this, and you tighten it down with this little ring here. So you save the ring. You take the old piece off, take the ring off, put this on, put the ring on, and then put this on, screw it on, and then adjust it so it's pointing this way. So I want to show you that, and I hope that you have a nice day, and I hope you subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you next time, pretty soon.